everyone, this is Lolita. Today we're going to be talking about epilator from Philips, that is Satin Soft Wet and Dry. Model number is BRE21000. Let's get started. It comes with 3 attachments. This attachment gives you a better grip, helps to hold the epilator in the right position, which is very necessary as it stretches the skin. It becomes way too easy to epilate all the hair from the root. This attachment is used for sensitive area. It reduces number of tweezers that could be used at one go. As per my experience, it has not been that great. I don't think it actually serves the purpose. I find it little risky to epilate even with this cap on. Maybe it's because of the speed of the epilator. Even though if it is at the speed one, I find it little difficult to epilate. This is awesome. This is a shaver head which is nice and easy to use and you don't feel it at all. Does the job pretty well. If you don't want to epilate, you can always go with the shaver head. This is speed 1. This is cleaning brush and a charger. This epilator head has 20 tweezing disc and 2 speed. It weighs around 330 gram. As it has a grip line, it makes it easy and comfortable to handle. It can be used for both wet and dry. It comes with 2-year guarantee. To change, slide left, rinse it with water and switch on to any other attachment. Regrowth. For me, it takes at least 15 to 20 days. It might differ for every other individual. This device provides a backup of 400 mAh. It takes an hour to charge completely and it could be used for 25 to 30 minutes cordless. Tips to use the epilator in the right way. The first and foremost tip is to use against the growth of the hair. For better results, start epilating as soon as the hair starts growing back. There are few stray hairs here and there. Let's start epilating. As you see, all the hair is pulled out by the root. How painful is it to epilate? Generally, if you're used to threading or waxing, it hardly makes any difference. Unless you have very sensitive skin, in that case there could be some red bumps. You can always use aloe vera gel or an astringent lotion. The pros of the product. Firstly, it's economical when compared to any other form of hair removal methods, and it's easy to carry it as it's cordless and it's lightweight. Difficult to use around joints, and the sensitive cap does not really serve the purpose. Overall, I would say 4 out of 5 for this product. If you found this video helpful and informative, please do click like, share and subscribe, and do wait for the next upcoming video. Thank you very much.